Today I'm going to show you how to check the mileage of the Volvo XC40 2025. You see here, okay, you need to change the screen first, right? Bring up you press this button here, press the button here, yeah, press it, okay, and then you press this button here, okay, you press it, you will bring up the mileage of the car, yeah, okay. Obviously, to cross it, you just press the button again, yeah. Okay, so it's this button here, yeah. Press this button here and then press this button here to bring it up, yeah. Yep. Okay, so this is Volvo XC40 2025. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.